I apologize. I apologize ahead of time if my eyes look very watery and tired, because they are very watery and tired. It is midnight. I am filming very late at night, but that is the only time I can really film because I have little kids right now. So yeah, I think I say that in almost every video I film, and it is just because I feel like if you are new for some reason and you don't know, that's why. But for those who do watch all my videos, then I'm sorry for being so repetitive. Anyways, hi, my name's Celina, and I film very inconsistently for this channel, but I try my best. This channel is mostly beauty and some travel, kind of some vlogs, but if you are curious about more personal vlogs, then be sure to check out my vlog channel, Tell Me Your Fable, which I'll link down below. Or if you're more into planners and lifestyle, then A Beautiful Fable is exactly where you can get that content. But today, I'm excited. I have not bought an advent calendar in so long, for so many years. And this year I decided I want to try a couple advent calendars, but I'm not going to open them like I usually do. I used to open advent calendars like a consumer. In December, every day, I would be vlogging once more in December, which is my daily vlog in December, and I would open the advent calendars. And I don't know why, but in retrospect, I didn't realize that I think that's kind of boring. At least I find it boring. I actually prefer to watch videos of people who have the advent calendars, especially ahead of time, and they just open everything so I can see everything, and I feel like I've gotten the joy out of that. It didn't necessarily make me want to buy the advent calendars, but it was just fun to watch. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I decided to take the plunge, and oh my goodness, this is so heavy. This is the Stylevana advent calendar for 2025. And the reason I got it is because I have been neck, chin, nose, eyes, I don't know what to call it, deep in K-beauty. I've been using it honestly for a couple years now, but I've been really going ham on it since my last pregnancy, just because I couldn't use a lot of the products that I used before the pregnancy, and during pregnancy I was able to, and I just loved it so much, and I just kept going with it. Stylevana is one of the websites I use quite often to get a lot of my products from. So when they had an advent calendar and I got like an email saying you can get like a big discount off it, I was like, why not? So I don't know what to expect, but I'm gonna unbox it with you guys today. So this is what the top looks like when you open it up, and then down here is another drawer which has a bunch of other days as well. You can see, and it goes up to day 25. So that's what the advent calendar looks like. It's very heavy, very heavy. Okay, I'm just gonna get right into the unboxing. I just hope this video is not so unco. Day number 1. Step 1 to your dream skin. I'm assuming everything here is going to be mostly skincare products. Although K-beauty also does makeup. I don't really buy much K-beauty makeup, just skincare. Anyways, I'm going to get right into the video because I feel like most people who are watching the video just want to see what's in it. So, first one is this. I've not tried this. And Burrito Oat in Gentle Exfoliating Face Cleanser. Day 2 is in this box. Put on a sheet mask and relax. No guesses what this is. Ooh, it's 2. Okay, well. So you get 2 sheet masks here from Round Lab. This is the Hydrating Water Gel Mask. That's kind of cool. For day 3, we have coffee and sunscreen. Ooh, it's the Huda Wonder Black Rice Sunscreen. One thing I'm going to mention right now is that I really love how it's all full size. None of this like travel size stuff, so I'm really loving that. Day 4, mini vacation for your skin. Oh, gosh, it's like a travel, I know this is travel size, but it's like a whole kit from Abib, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's their calming kit. So you get 4 items in here. The cleanser, toner, serum, and moisturizer. I'm already really loving this advent calendar. Back in the day when I used to unbox advent calendars like 5-10 years ago, they were never this good. Day 5, your personal masterclass to glow. I don't know this brand. I've never heard of it before. Jang Simul, but it's like a base. It says it's a glow base, so either it's a foundation or primer. before makeup. Okay, it's a primer. Step towards timeless beauty. Day 6. So Stylemax is a brand that I have tried before. I do quite like them. And this is an ampule for calming and radiance. Alright, so they do have makeup in this one. Fierce Eyeliner Flicks Pending. Okay, I can get into it. This will actually expose me to, this will give me a chance to try more K-Beauty makeup. Merlot eyeliner pen. Looks like this. And, okay, yeah, it's like liquid. Ooh, just, I love this. So fine, the lines. And doesn't really rub off. So far liking it. Day 8. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow stick. Looks like this, kind of bronze. Oh yeah, it's a nice coppery bronze color. Day 9. Day 9, one swipe of Fluttery Magic. Let me guess, this is definitely mascara. It has to be mascara, right? Black mascara from Etude. Let's open it up. I've never tried this one before, so I'll have to try it at some point. Day 10, make your health goals priority. I don't know what that means. So these are Green Monster. I think they're kombucha sticks, so you just add water to them. And I believe these are like peach flavor. Supposedly good for your gut health. Bright Eye and Awake. Concealer or eye brightener, either one. Oh no, okay. Oh, I actually bought this recently. This is eye cream with tranexamic acid and gluten. Oh my god, I cannot pronounce it. Anyways, it's a really popular eye cream that I've seen on TikTok. That's the reason I bought it. I know I am a sucker for TikTok. But yeah, I just recently bought it, so I'm keen to try it. If it works, then I guess I have a backup, and if it doesn't, then I will pass it on to someone else. The essence of healing comes in a small bottle. VT PDRN 100. I use PDRN in the morning every single day, but I'm using a different brand right now. I do use VT in the evening, but I use it for that like micro needling, so I'm keen to see what this is like. Flawless Skin Festive Season Foundation, I'm guessing. Oh no, I'm wrong. What is this? It's a repairing serum. Another PDRN, I hope I'm saying that right, PDRN serum. I've seen this brand, but I've not tried it. Cutest bottle though. It is cute. You deserve to treat yourself. I mean, isn't this whole thing a treat? Oh, sea salt. Okay, so it's a sea salt therapy scalp scaler. I guess it's like if you have flaky scalp, you can use this. I actually have one from Oribe. I think it's in the pink bottle. I haven't actually used it yet because I thought I had dandruff. Turns out I just wasn't washing my hair right, so I haven't actually needed to use it. But it's good to have this. Collagen goals achieved. Why do I feel like this looks familiar? Does it look familiar? I don't think I've tried this before, but it looks familiar. Collagen Peptide Facial Cream. It's basically collagen peptide moisturizer. Perfect skin in seconds. I'm really loving these little quotes, these like cheesy quotes. I'm loving it. Oh my gosh. I actually almost bought this. It's been sitting in my cart for a while, but I haven't pulled the trigger on it. And I'm thankful I haven't because now I have it. It is from the Skin 1004. It's the pore minimizing clay mask, the stick one, that pink one. It's very popular. It's all over TikTok. I know, I live on TikTok. It's terrible, but it's a mask that you put on. It's supposed to minimize your pores. It's clay, and then you just wash it off. Looks like this. Oh, it's got a low cap, but yeah, basically just a stick. Sun safe and glowing. So this is what it is. It's a sunscreen compact. Yeah, all right. I think it's like a cushion foundation, so I won't open it because that tends to dry once you open them up, but I didn't realize VT did cushion foundations. Cool, calm, and collected. So, Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Because I feel like sometimes a lot of the products from K-Beauty Skin is like for after you've had some sort of treatment. I haven't personally ever used treatments before, but I'm sure they're handy. Smoother lips for better sleep. Like this might be a lip mask or something. Yeah. What's interesting about what I'm reading is that there are some cleansing balms where you like twist and it like dispenses a little bit on top. I think this does the same thing. Let's open it up and see. This is what it looks like. Pull it up. And then, yeah, just at the tip there, if you twist, product comes out. Maybe twist a little bit more. You see, the product comes out. Smells really nice. Rosy Cheeks Happy Week. I love that they have like one product for every category. There's not much overlap. Oh, this is so, it's like a little blush. So flat. Oh, it's cream. It's a cream blush. That's cute. And I love the color. Suits me perfectly. I can't wait to try it. On the Go Glass Lips. Ooh, tinted lip balm. This one looks like. Prime before you shine. Oh, eye primer. I don't think I've used eye primer in a while because I tend to use the leftover of my foundation and concealer now. Reset Makeup. I think this might be a face powder. Yeah. But yeah, it's a little face powder just to reduce any shine and oil. Glow brighter than the angels. What could this be? This is day 20. Ooh, day 24. Yep, I love this. It's a Medicube toner, PDRN pink toner. I'm actually using this right now. I'm like almost finished, so this is great timing. Da 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 da. Day 25. What could it be? Oh, it's a tone, it's a cleanser. Face. It's a really nice looking rice mochi cleanser. Is there something special about this cleanser that I'm not aware of? I'm just gonna have a quick look. Like, is it like a really well-known brand? I usually don't open things. I don't know. Am I missing something? It seems a little lackluster that it's this cleanser at the end, but I feel like I'm really uneducated and it's maybe like a really nice brand or something like that, and that's why. But I am thrilled with this calendar. I'm really glad that I was able to get it at a cheaper price, like discounted, because I do feel like I felt like it was worth it, and I can't wait to try all these new products. It's like a good excuse to try new stuff. So anyways, if you want to hear any of my thoughts about any of these products, just let me know down below and I can let you know what I think. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think there's one more calendar I'm eyeing that I might unbox, so let me know if you like these type of videos, because I like using it as an excuse to go buy an advent calendar and unbox everything early. So yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina, returning to my room. Back to the internet.